we're gonna run this thing. I'm just gonna show you how the controls are set up for this particular one. It's probably likely the same on yours if you have a cat machine. So because this is a blower, like a sweeper or something like or a Harley rake, you want continuous flow coming out of the hydraulics on the side we just hooked up. So on this cat machine, you're gonna wanna press this button right here. And when you do that, I'll click it, you'll see on the screen, that little green symbol there in the corner starts flashing. And what that means is you're in continuous flow ready mode. So I'll just lift up the blower here. And what you do is to get it out of ready mode into continuous flow mode is you just scroll the wheel forwards or backwards and place it in the flow you want. So obviously fully ahead is full flow, but just for this sort of tutorial here, I'll just put it, you know, like about halfway, and I'll hold it there. And then you just hold it till that thing stops flashing, and then at that point you're in, basically the blower's rotating. There's continuous flow coming out. I'm not touching anything else. I don't have to hold this knob. And then to operate my my chute up and down, in my particular case, it's these two buttons here. So I'll see if I can get both at once. And then on my left joystick, these two buttons here operate the rotate. If you want to stop the continuous flow, just touch this in any direction, just bump it. And then it stops the flow, and you'll see that goes back to flashing ready mode.